Well, Ethiopia's finance minister says the economy is expected to grow by 9% this year. That's over 1% higher than the International Monetary Fund's growth projection of 7.7%. The East African nation ranks as one of the world's fastest growing economies. Ethiopia is hoping to boost its foreign currency earnings by inviting foreign companies to invest in its state-owned firms.
Inside an industrial park in Bolelemi, an hour's drive from Addis Ababa's central business district, young women bend over sewing machines in a rush against time to meet tight deadlines. This is one of Ethiopia's 11 industrial parks. The 5 operational parks have created 250,000 jobs. These special economic zones are dominated by garments and textile industries, which manufacture for big European and American brands.
What I benefited here is I got skill transfer, knowledge transfer from the expats, and the other thing is I'm benefiting myself in income.
Ethiopia is betting on such parks to end poverty and reduce the country's high unemployment rates. The Ethiopian Industrial Parks is an important foreign exchange earner for the country. Currently, phase 1 of the parks earns the East African nation $3.2 million.
We have the export more than 186 million USD since we start the export.
To attract investors here, the Ethiopian government offers incentives including income tax exemption. The East African economic giant took a bold step mid-last year, announcing that it would privatize some of its most prized state corporations in a bid to shore up dwindling foreign currency reserves and boost growth.
We will partially privatize 4 of state-owned enterprises.
Which are?
Telecom, aviation, energy, and logistics as well. Logistics 4. Other sectors, we can privatize up to 100%. We want our economy to be competitive. We want to use the potentials of private sector to diversify the source of growth in the economy.
Economists have long argued that Ethiopia's state-led growth is in the long run unsustainable. Major telecommunications companies, including South Africa's MTN, have expressed interest in a stake at the lucrative state monopoly Ethio Telecom.
Very broader interest from international community, particularly with the fast economic growth and bigger population size in Ethiopia. The market potential is very huge.
Ethiopia is, however, approaching the privatization with caution. The banking sector will remain off limits for now.
We need to consolidate on the comprehensive reform we are now embarking on. After implementing and seeing the success, we maybe in the future we will be open for that.
The decision will present big opportunities for international investors to enter the $80 billion economy in Africa's second most populous country, with at least 110 million people. Sarah Kimani, SABC News, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.